Today, we're revealing a simple and fun method to turn your love for YouTube Shorts into cash. Imagine earning $4 just by watching one YouTube Shorts video. No special skills required, just your device and a desire to make money online. Whether you're a content consumer or someone looking for easy online earnings, this method is for you. Stay tuned as we guide you through the steps to earn $4 by watching one YouTube Shorts. Let's dive into the world of quick and enjoyable online earnings.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started. First, navigate to the YouTube homepage. Sign into your YouTube account by clicking on Sign In and entering your Gmail and password, or create a new account if needed. Once logged in, locate the Shorts shelf either by searching for #Shorts in the YouTube search bar or clicking on the Shorts option in the top left corner. On the Shorts shelf, you'll find over 750 million YouTube Shorts. Shortly, I'll explain how to watch and monetize these Shorts. Some users are already earning money, with examples of individuals making $15 or $20 for watching Shorts. Imagine the potential earnings if you watch 50 to 100 YouTube Shorts daily. However, not all Shorts will generate income. Focus on those with millions of views. For instance, a video with 100 million views is ideal, while one with less than 10,000 views may not be lucrative. I recommend steering clear of anything below 1 million views. To make it easier for you, I've identified 3 profitable niches: ASMR videos, unboxing videos, and before and after videos. For ASMR videos, search for #Shorts plus ASMR to find videos with substantial views, such as those with 1.8 million, 1.6 million, and 5 million views. Unboxing videos are also trending, attracting high view counts. Before and after videos, like one with 100 million views, are another lucrative option. You can choose any of these niches, and I'll use ASMR videos as an example to guide you through the process. It's simpler than you might think. No experience is required, just an internet connection and either a computer or smartphone. Simply navigate to one of these videos and access the creator's channel, using this particular example. Upon entering the channel, observe that the creator already boasts over 9 million subscribers, indicating a substantial viewership. Notably, one of their recent videos has garnered an impressive 20 million views. Your objective is not only to benefit from watching these videos, but also to capitalize on the broader audience. To do so, select Shorts from the menu and click on the option to display the most popular ones. Identify a short video with an impressive 200 million views, click on it, and then locate the Share icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a link that you can easily copy by selecting the designated option.
Before we continue, please like this video if it meets your interests. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments section below.
Now, let's proceed to the next step, where we'll transform this link into a money-generating one. Each time someone clicks on this link and watches the video, you earn money. Pay close attention as I unveil the precise strategy to maximize your earnings. I'll guide you on where to share your link to attract thousands of clicks at no cost. The platform we'll utilize for this purpose is a new website that I'll disclose shortly. It's crucial that you refrain from visiting the website until you've followed all the steps. Here's the potential earnings per click from this website: $20 for 1,000 clicks from Greenland, $13 for clicks from Iceland, and $12 for clicks from the United States, among other rates. Consider the possibilities for a video with 200 million views. If you were to earn, for instance, $10 for every 1,000 views, the potential income could reach tens of thousands of dollars. Seize this opportunity. As demonstrated earlier, individuals have successfully withdrawn money from this website simply by watching YouTube Shorts. The website's name is shrinkern.com. To get started, create your account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details, such as username, email, and password. Check the 2 boxes and click Register. Once you verify your email, your dashboard will resemble the one shown. On this platform, paste your YouTube Shorts link. The website will then convert it into a money link for you. Click on New Shortened Link and paste your link in the provided space. After pasting the link, click Shorten, and voila, your money link is ready. Whenever someone clicks this link to watch the YouTube Shorts video, you'll earn money. That's the basic process of making money. Now, let's explore the websites I personally use to get others to click on this link and watch the video. Once you successfully copy the link, the next step involves navigating to a website known as ASMR Tingles. This platform stands out as one of the premier forums dedicated to ASMR content. However, if your interests lie in a different niche, fear not. I'll guide you through alternative approaches shortly. Focusing on the ASMR niche, ASMR Tingles has proven to be an invaluable forum, boasting a substantial community of thousands keen on engaging with ASMR videos. Our aim here is to share your video, which is already a viral sensation with millions of views, among individuals who appreciate ASMR content. A glance at the forum reveals consistent views on various posts every single day. To leverage this platform effectively, emulate the approach of other forum users by creating engaging posts. Craft a message akin to, "Hey guys, just stumbled upon this viral ASMR video on YouTube. Check it out and let me know what you think." The more posts you contribute, the higher the likelihood of receiving clicks, translating to increased earnings. Now, if your YouTube Shorts venture extends beyond the realm of ASMR, Facebook becomes a powerful tool applicable to virtually any niche. Imagine you're delving into unboxing videos. A simple search for unboxing in the Facebook search bar, followed by selecting groups, opens up a plethora of opportunities. Countless groups dedicated to unboxing content are at your disposal, some boasting millions of members. This strategy is not confined by geographical boundaries, making it a worldwide endeavor. However, bear in mind that the key to maximizing your earnings lies in diversification. Don't limit yourself to 1 or 2 videos. The more content you share, the more substantial your earnings will become. Consistency across multiple videos is the key to achieving optimal results. So embark on this venture with a multifaceted approach and watch as your earnings grow with each shared video.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.